What's up? My name is Dylan. I love to travel, and I recently spent about 2 months exploring the beautiful country of Argentina. This is a weekend at the natural wonder Iguazu Falls. What's up? We are in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and this weekend we're heading up to one of the natural wonders of the world, Iguazu Falls. We are heading to the airport right now. It's just under a 2-hour flight. We'll be getting in around 11 p.m. Get some good sleep. We're staying at the Beer Hotel, so there's gonna be some beers there. And then bright and early, waterfall adventure. Iguazu Falls is the largest waterfall system in the world. It's located on the border between Argentina and Brazil, pretty comparable to how Niagara Falls is on the border between the US and Canada. We started our journey in Buenos Aires. The flight between Buenos Aires and Puerto Iguazu is just under 2 hours. It's pretty easy to forget how big of a country Argentina is. You need flights everywhere. Welcome to Iguazu, Trey. It's humid here. The Holy Beer Hotel in Iguazu, Argentina. It's half brewery, half hotel. So here we are, the Holy Beer Hotel. We reserved a room with 2 double beds, but this is all they had. So we will get nice and comfortable. Yeah. Good morning from the Beer Hotel. Got our beer breakfast in us. Now we're waiting for our shuttle to take us to Iguazu Falls. We started our journey to the falls with our tour group. We got our entry tickets to the national park, and then we hopped on a little train that take us the rest of the way. As previously mentioned, Iguazu Falls is on the border of Argentina and Brazil. Both sides offer a unique perspective. However, the majority of the falls are located on the Argentina side. This side allows you to get up close and personal with all the waterfalls. And as you walk down the green trails, you can begin to start hearing the roaring of the falls as you get closer. But the fun didn't stop there. After walking around for a little bit, we took a boat tour that got us up close and personal with the base of all the waterfalls. All right, Trey, what are we about to go do?
About to get a god shower.
A god shower. We are taking a boat underneath the Iguazu Falls. Oh yeah! Yeah!
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We about to be up in that.
You know we had to take the front of the boat because that's where the most action is. This was for sure the highlight of the whole day. If you come to Iguazu, you have to do the boat tour.
Holy beers.
After an exciting day of exploring the Argentina side of the falls, it was time to head back to the beer hotel, hang by the pool, and explore the town of Puerto Iguazu.
What do you think of Iguazu?
It's very nice.
It is very nice.
Yes, it is.
What's up? We are in Iguazu, Puerto Iguazu, Argentina. We're trying to find a place we can party at.
I just want to party.
I just want to party, bro. Argentina doesn't start dancing until 2 a.m.
After a fun night on Sunday, we crossed over to the Brazilian side of Iguazu Falls. You do have to go through an immigration checkpoint, but that's no big deal.
And we are officially in Brazil.
Although the majority of the falls are located on the Argentina side, because of that, Brazil has a much better panoramic view of Iguazu. I would also say the Brazilian side was much more crowded. It may be because it was Sunday, I'm not sure.
Whoa, Wanderlust. I can't believe it. What a natural wonder.
Lake or
Yeah,
river, and then all of a sudden
there's a big old hole that you don't even see right over there.